Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I want to show you how to align one object with another object in AutoCAD. As you see here, we have a rectangle on the left side which is quite inclined or tailored to the left side, and this Y is a vertical line. I'm going to align this inclined rectangle with this vertical line. To do so, in the command bar, you write AL. So typing AL activates the align command, and you see here on the top, when you go to the align, you see the process of alignment. It shows one rectangle on the top, another half circle at the bottom, and there are 4 points per spine on the source object is the top one, and the second point is on the destination object, which is the half circle at the bottom. Third point is on the object, source object, and the fourth point is on the destination object. And then that first object or source object is aligned with the destination object, as you see on the right side with the black color. That's how AutoCAD shows all functions, and it is sometimes difficult to basically understand how it works. So I'm gonna click on the line or click on the spacebar or enter, and the process is started. So I'm gonna select this one as it asks to select the objects. Currently we have only one object, and then you click on enter or a spacebar, and it asks for the first source point. So as I said earlier, this is source object and this one is destination object. So it asks for the first point on the source object. I'm gonna select any point and a random point on this line. And then it asks for the first destination point, which is any point here on the line. And next it asks for the second source point. Again, any point, can select the corner, any point, maybe the middle. So it doesn't matter. And then it asks for the second destination point. So I'm going to select the last point here. And finally, it asks for the third source point or continue. So for moments, it's enough 2 straight lines, need only 2 points to be aligned. So I'm gonna just continue. And then finally, it asks for the scale objects based on alignment points. Yes or no? Let's say no, I don't want to scale the source object based on the alignment points. So I'm gonna either click on the no or write in, and that's how it is aligned with the vertical line. So it is quite complex, but you understand it easily. So I'm gonna repeat once more. So I'm gonna allow up here AL, wait, and then select the objects. Once it is selected, let's click on the spacebar. One source point here, one destination point here, a second source point here, and second destination point here. Enter or a spacebar, and then click on no, and it is aligned. Okay, it's how we de-align function in AutoCAD. I hope you learned it, and if you like this video, please subscribe this channel for more useful videos on engineering and software. And if you have any question or any comments, please put your comments in the comments section of the video. And I wish you all this, and hope to see you again. Thank you for watching.